In this episode, we have 1. A popular fighting Nintendo game. 2. Every red rose has its thorn. 3. A character from The Wizard of Oz. Also, for you customizers, stick around to the end for a bonus tip where we touch on how to create a splatter. Yo, what's up YouTube? It's Orlando. Welcome to Wall of Hype, where we showcase artists that can take plain kicks like Air Force Ones, Jordans, cleats, Vans, and turn them into customs that sneakerheads love. But before I start, please hit that like and subscribe button if you're new. We have links to all featured artists and their work in the description below. Our first goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers. Now, let's get started. Here we have a design by Createz. The shoe, a Nike Air Force One. The design, Nintendo Super Smash Bros. Now, this is a task. We have characters among characters and a slew of characters. So right off the bat, you see the Mario Brothers, you see Sonic, you see Zelda, Pikachu, Pac-Man, Megaman, Yoshi, Donkey Kong. The list goes on and on. This is a fun design that's not meant to be easy. You know, getting all those characters on one shoe is a task in itself. So the layout, the color backgrounds, the highlights, the glows. Createz did a wonderful job getting this project laid out. All white shoe, turned it to black, and then you guys can see right there, he's part of the toothpick gang. Getting in deep with those details and just rocking the shoe. So this is a cool project. Good job, Createz. I can't even give you enough props. The line work, the detail, it's all beautiful. Kudos, good job. Here we have designer Chad Can't Color. The shoe, a Nike Air Force One. The design, every red rose has its thorn. Now, if you guys don't know Chad Can't Color, he was the one that inspired me to start custom shoes. His artwork, his designs are just the cleanest thing that I've seen when starting into this custom world. His artwork is by far the cleanest I've seen. He doesn't use stencils. Everything is hand drawn with his paintbrush and paint. And what's cool about this is, you know, obviously the rose design, the black lining on this. And then what's also cool is how he splits up the Nike swoosh. The design of the rose petal behind it, black line separating it, and then on the front. You also have on the front of the toe, within the panel is the rose, right? So he's not overly designing the rose into this shoe. He's picking certain spots, especially because the shoe already has the red outsole, and then inside lining is red. So by adding this additional touch, just makes the shoe beautiful. I can't say enough about Chad's design and his artwork. It's always top notch and pristine. I always look forward to seeing what he does next. Okay, in this project, we have a design by All Shoes Matter. The shoe, an Air Jordan 1. The design, If I Only Had a Heart Ones. Check this out, guys. We have a 10-man Wizard of Oz concept. The rivets, the metal, the tin, whatever you want to call it. It's just a crazy looking shoe. We can go through the photos. You can look at all the details. You can see the grays. You can see the browns, the reds. You got all these different colors to create this metallic metal grunge look. The rivets, and then also you can see the dent marks, the highlights, actually the darkness around those rivets. A lot of detail and time was put into this shoe that just, it's on point. And what's great about the shoe is the weathering. You can see that you have all these, like, because of the rust and because of all what organically happens to metal in nature, in the atmosphere. you just get this old weathery feel, right? It's used, and All Shoes Matter hit the nail on the head on what was done to these kicks. What's also cool is we have a Velcro Nike swoosh on both sides on both shoes. So look at that. On one of the shoes, you have the Tin Man's axe, and then you have a heart. An amazing concept, an amazing design put together just to create a story behind these shoes. And that's what's awesome about this, is it's not just a shoe, it's a story, and anyone can just like, hey, what's that? What's on those shoes? Or, oh, that's a crazy look, right? And then you can go in and talk about the story behind the Tin Man. And who doesn't know the story behind the Wizard of Oz and Tin Man? And then take a look at the tongue tag. All Shoes Matter, this is one of his signatures, is recreating the Jumpman logo into the art of the shoe. And you can just see right there, Tin Man with the heart. Truly an awesome shoe. Great work. Continue to keep it up. Can't wait to see what's next. Now on to our bonus content. We have the splatter effect. This is very simple, very easy. You know, Dripped Customs is just using a brush and just splattering it. You know, obviously you have to tape up the areas that you don't want splattered. And then from there, you just take the brush and you just start flickering. You know, you can see this in the next video. Dripped Customs using multiple colors. So it's a very simple technique. And then using a stencil to get a logo, graphic, or design on there is very simple. So this is something that any customizer can start doing today. It's a simple effect that's easy, and it's a lot of fun. It's just messy, but can be done. Thanks, Dripped Customs, for showing us a little insight on how you design your shoes. Keep up the great work. That's it for this video. Please hit that like and subscribe button to help out the channel. Comment below and let us know if the bonus content was helpful, or which one of these custom kicks is your favorite. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video from Wall of Hype.